How to fix Instagram upload issue. Hi guys, so what you wanna do is very simple. Go to the settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps manager on this page, you are gonna find the apps that you have in your phone. Scroll until you find Instagram and then click on it. Click here on storage and then click on clear data and delete all the app data. Go back, click on data usage here. Disable the roaming data from here and make sure that the background data and the Wi-Fi and the mobile data are enabled. Go back again and click on this notifications management. Make sure that everything is enabled. Go back to the home page, open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Instagram and update. Don't forget to like and subscribe.